Okay. So the first thing you always want to do with these centroids is draw out just this picture of what you have.
Okay.
So if we have this, we'll kind of just curve it up like that.
Is it a curve? Oh, yeah. It's not just a triangle.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's
Horrible.
straight on there, but the equation we're given is x squared.
Yeah.
Y equals x squared.
Yeah.
Okay. So that describes this line right here.
Mm-hmm.
And it goes from 0 to 3.
Oh.
So the first thing you want to do is figure out how high this is going to go. So if it goes from 0 to 3 over here, what's this point up here going to be?
9.
Yeah, so this is going to be, the point is 3 and 9. Okay. And what are the basic equations that we have again? So solving for x bar first.
Sorry.
Okay. So x bar is the distance in the x direction to your centroid, which is, as you have written down, sum of x tilde times the area divided by the sum of the areas. Okay. And then y bar equals sum of y tildes times your area divided by the sum of your areas. All right. So let's just start with the x bar first. So with x bar, we always want to draw in a y element. It's an element that's in the y direction. And if we go back to over here, I'm gonna draw a little dot there. The area that it's talking about is the area of this element. That's why it's the sum of all these elements are the sum. You see the sum of both. If you sum up all these areas, you will get the total area of your graph.
Yeah.
Okay. So, what's the thickness of this right here?
dx.
Okay, so we have dx because it's infinitely small. Okay, and what's the height going to be?
Just y, right?
Yep, just y, because if you go up from the x-axis, you just hit it right there at point y, which is always going to be changing.
Yeah.
So we just say y. Okay, so we're almost ready to set up our integral. Now all we need to do is find x tilde.
What do you mean by x tilde? What do you mean by that?
So x tilde is the distance
Half the
on
y,
the
right?
x-axis to this point.
Isn't this gonna be 3 minus x?
Yeah. We're gonna have, actually, not quite.
It's a distance to that point.
Yeah.
It's gonna be
If I start here and travel this way, I hit it right there. And remember, the exact distance doesn't matter. So what we say is it's just x.
Oh.
Because, remember, your elements are always changing where they are.
Okay.
So x gets you to the midpoint. Okay, so now you can set up your x bar equation. And, okay, so there's this thing that we have to take care of though. How do you do a summation?
Integrals?
Yeah, we're just gonna add up all these little elements. So we do the integral of x tilde which is just x, times the area. And we decided that our area was,
dx times by y.
okay, let's do y dx. And if you notice, this dx out here is what actually lets us integrate. So we pretty much just ignore these two things and work with what's in here.
Okay.
Okay, and then we have to divide that by the integral of the area again.
So dx, y times dx.
Y times dx. Okay. Here's where the next step comes in. Once you're ready for it.
Yeah.
Can we integrate this equation with respect to x yet?
No, we gotta make them all the same, right?
Yeah. I mean, we could if we were doing partial, but we're not. So we got to get this in terms of x. Because we have dx.
So y is just gonna be x squared.
Yeah, so that's what we substitute in. So now x bar equals
Okay.
oops. All my twos look better. Okay. Oh, and our limits of integration, what are those?
0 to 3.
Yep. 0 to 3.
Then I can just solve that now, huh?
Mm-hmm.
So I'm gonna get, let's see, 1/4 x to the 4th over 1/3 x to the 3rd. 0 to 3, both of them. So x to the 0 is gonna be 1, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's see.
So it's gonna be x third dx.
4 divided by x to the 3rd over 3.
Yeah. And then from
Evaluated at 0 to 3.
So I'm gonna have 81 over 4 minus 1 over 4 divided by.
But where do you get x to the 0?
Because that's gonna be 1.
No, where do you come up with that?
The second part, right? This is 3 to 0.
Mm-hmm.
You got a minus. Oh, no, no, no. This is
Yeah, we substitute those in for the x's.
Yeah, okay. That's dumb. That's minus. Divided by 27 over 3. Yeah, okay. So 81 divided by 4. 27 divided by 3. I got 2.25 for x bar.
Okay.
And then I gotta do y now.
Yeah, so does that even seem believable?
Yeah, that's pretty nuts. I got an idea now though.
Yeah. I mean, our answer that we got, 2.25 for our x bar.
Yeah. I'll say so.
Yeah, because we know it's going to be closer to this side since most of our mass is over here. If we got something like 1, you know something would be off. But since we got 2.25,
Yeah.
that sounds pretty good.